my friends!
Well, hello.
I'm Kathleen Hansen, and you found my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. If you'd like to have an agile and flexible voice to help you sing runs and riffs, or even navigate choral singing or harmony parts with greater ease, these vocal warmups and exercises will help you to do just that. Let's check in with alignment and breathing to make sure that our body and our minds are ready for the task at hand. Let's ease in with a few vocal warm-ups while we sing the following pattern on key. Key. When you're working on flexibility, it's a great idea to start kind of slowly and then build up to a faster pace. Here we go. Key. Time that we can help equalize the subglottal and supraglottal air pressure. It will free up some tension and make things a little bit easier. So let's do a lip trill or bubble on the following pattern. And go. I'll take this next vocal exercise that builds coordination at a moderate tempo. We're going to sing on Z, ah, like Z, ah, 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 and go. Z, ah, ah, ah. Z, ah, ah, ah. Z, ah, ah, ah. Z, ah, ah, ah. Now let's sing on mi, me, ma, mo, mu, like mi, me, ma, mo, mu, and go. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. Let's try the following arpeggio patterns on Z, Z, Za, like Z, Z, Za. Here we go. Z, Z, Za. Z, Z, Za. Z, Z, This is a great vocal flexibility exercise. Let's sing money, 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 mo, and go. Money, 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 mo. 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 This next exercise is going to work on just isolating the interval of a fifth. We can sing key. Here we go. Key. Now let's sing up and down a pentascale like mi, me, ma. Your turn. Mi, me, ma. Mi, me, ma. Mi, me, ma. Mi, sigh down. For this last arpeggiated exercise, I'd like to challenge you to put plenty of separation between each of the sounds, like ya. This will emphasize the breath's role in this type of agility coordination. Here we go. Ya. Sigh down to vocal fry. Thank you so much for singing with me today. Check out my latest news and announcements below, and I will see you next time. For this next exercise, we're going to watch my cat.